Greetings, everybody. This is my PowerPoint presentation for Module 1 discussion. My name is Eduardo Murillo, and I am in Group 1. Specifics. The article title that I worked on was Use of Diverse Electronic Medical Record Systems to Identify Genetic Risk for Type 2 Diabetes within a Genome-Wide Association Study. The journal name was the Journal of the American Medical Informatics Association. Authors, Abel and Co. et al. And page numbers 212 to 218, roughly about 7 pages worth of information. Overview. Validated algorithms for the identification of both type 2 diabetes and controls using an electronic medical record were implemented with a greater than 98% positive predictive value, which took place in 3 of the 5 total research facilities involved in the study. This provided a validated algorithm to be implemented for the selection and the rollout of the genome-wide association studies to identify genetic risk for type 2 diabetes. Design. I chose to classify this study as experimental design, quasi-experimental study, as well as classified under cohort and cross-sectional classifications that we'll be explaining a bit further. Rationale. This research project exemplifies what an experimental design, QES, should entail, along with observational study tendencies used to further support the project. This study is a QES in the sense that it acts as a pre-intervention study for GWAS in identifying genetic risk for type 2 diabetes. This cohort cross-sectional effort tasked 5 separate institutions to compare electronic medical record using a previously validated algorithm which acts as the basic criteria for this GWAS. According to the research paper and its authors, this experimental design is labeled as a cross-site cohort meta-analysis, which justifies cohort study status and partakes in cross-sectional data collection of type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes patients to attempt the eradication of any bias and confounding which could potentially botch the study. Difficulties. Yes, some of the research studies provided were easier to categorize than others. Some would actually state the study in the title, while others had to be deciphered according to the student's perspective, which widens the range for identification purposes. And this is my reference. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you very much.